Air fryer, air fryer, air fryer, air fryer, air fryer. Nobody they talk about gather fire together, put iron on top or put wood on top, dry wetin you want dry for there. After they go say village girl, wetin village girl know, all these city girls them, they don't know half of them. Anyway, they don't finally shout and reach my domot. Now Oga come say make we kuku join them for the air fryer gang. Now Sophie carry my phone, call 130, say abeg come drop me for one market where they call air fryer market. Now him myself carry my bag follow body. I not there for the you one bag as if they won't give you for free. At the end they go still charge you. Oh boy, now Sophie carry my 2 cockroach leg, jump enter inside motor where I never feel by like say na my papa get am. I never even enter the motor. The man that they tell me say I don't want transfer as if they don't fed due pan before. Anyway, he never even reach 2 minutes. He don't fly reach the market. I say sure now waiting I don't waste my 10 pound be this. I don't know if for kuku enter bus off fly go where they go. If not be oga where they talk say quick combo as if in a picking when they suck breast. Oh boy, and so we reach the market. I can't carry the money give and can't give me 1 coin. Oh boy, I collect my 1 coin, not vex. That one if I gather and go reach something better for future. Oh boy, and so I carry my cockroach leg waka come down for inside the motor. Come they look everywhere like Johnny just come. I never even waka. I don't they see person when we are coat like mass teacher. Now so I carry my 2 cockroach leg waka enter inside not fit for trouble. Now don't enter inside. My spirit come they tell me say make I go up. My sister now up now wait till you want by day. Now go disappoint oga. I'll show you to say you quit enter house. Anyway, now so I can't carry myself so they go banana why I know say I won't buy this one I won't buy. Before you know I don't side one banana when yellow like mocking banana. Now so carry I enter inside my wall my trolley. God no say not even there for the list where I carry right go market. Nah my spirit come tell me say make I go see the grape. As I turn I come be like waiting rotty inside. Now so dump am. Before I go come be like one when I carry enter house one day everybody come abandon one for me. Now tomatoes I come they pack like this as if it dey very cheap ogbole whereas it dey very expensive like waiting I don't know. How I go carry a whole 12,000 naira take buy tomatoes so I want you stay cook 1 pot of soup. Not be juju be that. Oh Africa here we come. Now I come carry onions and onions a bowl when they tie for there 1 pound. Come carry all this spinach and spinach a bowl pack inside the bag. Now I come carry my gadiye I want to make ish and gadiye soup. If you know you know. Now only we know what the back of pot. But wait now tissue I won't buy like this. Now come they notice say they draw dog put everywhere. Wetin come concern animal with human being product? I not get no. Now I can say make I find small. Maybe I go see the one where they draw human being put. My brother and my sister, as I dey waka na dog I dey see. I can't feel say na only dog na they use the tissue for. I not get no. Just tell me something. Oh boy, guess what? I not buy. Now so I take go end up buy quickly when they send like say na waiting that they eat. No knowing say na dog food for this country. Anyway, make we move into the matter when carry us enter this market. Now so I they see where the rice is put. Waiting there this scanty. As I look front, now can they see bunch of air fryers there. I say okay, make you go that place where for them many. Make we for do better and select. If you know, you know. Anyway, now me come be this one. So I reach here my sister, my brother. And so I can they see bunch of air fryer everywhere. Even me say I can't even confused. I don't know which one I go take for inside. I see the one of 130 something pounds. I can't see the one of 119 pounds. One of my spirit can't tell me say make I take the one when they're very expensive. And they talk say now the one when they're expensive now they good pass. But all the good is when follow the cheaper one when be 119 pounds. Come, you don't follow this one come. Now I can feel say what I wanted to dry my ogbore dawa. Crayfish are not the original when they want pack come for me for village. And they talk say the air fryer they cook everything cookable except human being. Oh boy now so if you carry that one of 119 pounds. If I use on 2 days 3 days it's not good. I bundle and come back for them no time to waste. I don't call your con joke. Anyway, now me be this. Instead of me to suffer carry my load, go house, make I go meet to gas. I promise and say I go quick come back. I go the find waiting not find me. Madam, what you want use some protector do? The one where you get for us, you don't use and finish. I drop and share. Now suffer carry my load, go they find chicken. They go and go take use take this veggie the air fryer. Nah, all the cashier and cashier but their eye don't they red because now time to close with this. They can't they see 1 or 2 persons inside the market, see they turn around again. Now call excuse me, come and look for chicken wings for me. Now so now they send me message when me self they work for there. Anyway, now me be this, cause they smile they go, they they go. Now I can carry my son ball because as he wake up, jump up, mama, what did you buy for me? I go give him that one, go they happy. Okay, now me be this. Now me and one woman be the last person for inside the market. Madam, who do not too? Okay, now God don't call taxi for me. Make a day outside the wave taxi. They look me like say, nah, ma call me. Why woman can't they stop me? These people can never help you carry your bag, put for inside their book. Come out for road before you use and break your hand. They look person like say don't they respect woman for their country. Anyway, I got to carry my tea center myself and not fish out for their matter. Nah, me be this. I don't almost reach there before they help me. You see, woman, you know if you go up and carry load. Okay, now don't jump enter inside motor when my partner buy. Nah, me be this cause they give her the money, don't drop me finish. Now I carry myself will struggle for 3-story building, carry everything. I don't even want call guy, no one stress because I know saying go they sleep now. As I carry all the thing reach up finish, you know what this man talk? He say, now this one be the air fryer. What is different from air fryer and the oven where you get for us before? Hi, oga, you wait now. Not be if you know what we'll get a bundle and return her back to sender for them. As they talk, say the thing they sweet, like say you use oil air fryer, but it is just oil free for healthy purposes. Okay, now make we gotta open her first. May we use and fry the fryable. If you not sweet, like say you use oil air fried fish or fried chicken or fried meat, now you know the next thing what we go do. I know they support nonsense, always money gang. I suffer for my money, not to return her be that. Use and carry another product of tea enter house. Anyway, I can't read the feelings and they open. I can't they feel like they be like say na ovu ebo. They give me that ovu vibe and I get a huge big of ovu for house. I can't they feel say I don't go waste money for market. Oh boy, now see they use strong mind till they open now they go. This one are the original why I thought say follow and come. When not follow the other one come why I suppose carry. Now I can't imagine myself they use this one they dry crayfish they dry all the thing dryable. Now I can't even make me come carry this one leave the other one why I suppose carry. Now I get one thing when follow and come when be say long you carry a whole chicken put the thing go come they turn around come they give you that machine automatic vibe. Anyway, make we shy open able. Now me still be this one they pack all the old paper and paper able when they will take on now. Not be you go press all the old button anyway when work that it work for you. Anyway, now so I carry the paper turn up and down make I see say whether the one when be say if fire alarm the ring the one where you go press there because now that one day after. Now this one all the stick and stick able I still just they open and make you guys see what it day inside in case you want to purchase this kind one so but I never recommend that make I first use them first before I go know whether I go recommend that or not. Now this one are the stick what they talk about make we keep on first. Okay, now make I give una the full view when they call tall and tallable. I can say make I do small clean in case yama there. I be one come on the paper say no in case I want bundle and package and return that. This one are the chicken one use this veggie the oven and ovenable and is it oven or air fryer. Hey, I don't put the chicken finish. I don't they carry my finger till they touch all the migrantable and migrantable. Nah, maybe this one I don't they touch on the touch when it don't reach 40 and stop. This one at the first checking when I go check out from the view everything was beautiful and beautiful. Oil was dropping in that small plate that they put on that. Now I was feeling it and feeling the vibe, but I need to test it first. It need to be sweet and sweetable. Now him I say make I turn the back as now one side now in the roast since as I turn the back finish now I carry my soya pepper sprinkle around on top. It was making my mouth looking watching and watchable. I can't pour and finish, cover and back. Now I can't open at the last one. Oh, from far it was looking beautiful and beautiful. But we need to test it first. My sister asked me who removed the last three when they're on top there. Go and ask your ancestor. Anyway, madam don't chop on before even reach grand and I don't pack everything come back. May Oga come do in final review for inside the viewing and viewable. He has been looking at it since I was going inside. I was telling him he have to wait first before he eat the eating and eatable. No, now just imagine person they sweat under this very cold in the UK. Anyway, now this one I don't use and do make I wait use and fry what beef and as well fish first before I give my final review. Bye.